Okay, I just want to revisit my install of the AOS on my 06 Cayman S. I've watched a lot of videos. There's not a lot of detail. Some go into a little better detail than others. Some of them express what special tools you need. It takes about an hour to an hour and a half. Here's what I have to say. I just did this in about 15 minutes. It's real easy on these cars. I don't know about the Boxster or whatnot, but 06 Cayman S, super easy. Here's my special tools. I just have a swivel ratchet with 1/4-inch extensions and an adapter to get up to my inverted Torx bit of the proper size. I used a small pair of channel locks to get the spring clamp off, a magnet just to get the screws out once they're loose so you don't drop them, and then this tool, long Phillips screwdriver. This is for reinstallation, because what I did is I took the spring clamp off of the bottom of the AOS hose that goes to the crankcase. I took that off and just put a normal worm clamp on there. As you can see down in here, you can see that the lighting's not the best, but you can see it's real simple. Obviously, you remove that hose just by squeezing here. Squeeze, get the sides pushed in, and then it just pops off. Pretty easy to do. This one down here that we see right here off of this hose, that one I did after I got the screws loose. I got the screws loose with that hose still intact down at the bottom. Loosen these screws, lift it up so you can get enough room to get both hands down in here. You can actually get both hands down in this area pretty easily. You don't have to try and snake long needle nose pliers or anything like that down there. Once I did that, I got down into here. I don't know if I can actually get a good view of this, but you can take and use your small channel locks, and I just snuck them down in here with my hand. Got all the way down in here onto the clamp, loose, clamped it where it would open, slid it back, and then it was that easy. It literally was that easy. Then I grabbed the AOS and I just pulled it up, leaving that elbow hose on the AOS. Everything I've seen, they leave the elbow hose on the crankcase. I decided to take it off at the crankcase and pull it off. Then you just reinstall that elbow back onto the bottom hose nipple, and everything just slides back down in there. And of course, I used a new worm clamp because it was much easier taking my long Phillips screwdriver, going right down to it and tightening it up. Real simple. Took literally 15 minutes to get this done. No foul words, no busted knuckles. Super easy. So I hope posting this video actually helps. I wish I did a video from start to beginning, but honestly, I really didn't think it was going to be as easy as it was. I've heard that it's actually a pain in the butt. It takes about an hour to hour and a half, but there it is. I hope this information helps somebody, even though it's not a 100% guided tutorial. I hope the information is actually useful. Thanks.